Okay, today I'm going to show you how to install your USB voltmeter gauge for your handlebar. First, it's going to mount right here, and you got your connector piece. So what you're going to do, if you have a newer 2018 model 350R, you got this wire that comes with the gauge. What you're going to do is you're going to have one connector that's got two wires sticking out, just like that. You're going to connect the single to the gauge. Then you're going to connect it underneath to your 24 volt tap. So now you'll have your voltmeter and your gauge. Okay, so if you have a later model, what you want to do is disconnect this and then connect the single piece just like that. Then you have this other connector where you disconnect the gauge. If you don't have the 24 volt tap, it's an older model TT350R. You'll connect it just like that. And then you'll have your voltmeter, but you won't have your gauge. And then what you're going to do is you're going to run the wires up differently. You're going to connect it right here. It comes with a screw and a nut. You're going to screw that in and tighten up the nut on the back. And you should be ready to go. This is what it looks like.